Image source: YouTube. The problem of the dead toenail is quite common, and almost all the people suffer from the problem of loosening of dead toenail at some point of time in their lives. It has also been found that the most of the people don't have any idea on how to remove the dead toenail. Although some of the people try various ways to remove the dead toenail, it may cause a lot of pain and suffering. Here, we have tried to provide detailed information about the problem of dead toenail along with its causes as well as symptoms. Read on to know more about the effective ways to treat the problem of the dead toenail and removing it quite painlessly. But first, it is also important to know what dead toenail actually mean. What is dead toenail? Dead toenail, basically, are the blisters which causes due to various types of fungal infections. Some of the main causes of the dead toenail include wearing tight shoes or the development of blisters under the nail. Sometimes, trauma to the toe or subungual hematoma can cause the problem of a toenail. Dead toenail can cause moderate to severe pain and can prove to be a headache. It is important to recognize the cause of the dead toenail as early as possible so that accurate treatment can be provided in the case along with removing the toenail. Toenail removal also helps in preventing infection and helps in healing any underlying nail injury. After providing the proper treatment, the toenail can grow again after a period of 612 months. Taking help from the expert medical professional is also recommended for the complete care of the problem. What are the causes of dead toenails? As mentioned earlier, it is important to recognize the dead toenail causes as early as possible for the proper treatment. For your help, some of the major causes of dead toenail have been listed here. Wearing wrong size footwear. Wearing shoes which are wrong in size can cause your nail to become black. The main reason behind it is the pressure which is applied on the nail due to the wrong size and stops the growth of the toenail, turning its color to dark. Sporting activities. If you often engage in sporting activities, which requires a lot of activity by your legs as well as feet such as running, playing soccer, it is important to note that you are at high risk of causing dead toenail. This also occurs due to putting pressure on your toenails repeatedly, which turns the color of the toenails to black. Trauma. Sometimes, accidents to the toenails due to banging against the table or door or wall or any other hard surface along with falling of heavy object on your toenail can turn it dead and may cause a lot of health problems. Fungal infection in nail. Development of fungal infection under your nail has a tendency to erupt with the time, which makes the separation of the nail from the nail severely painful. It is important to provide effective treatment to the fungal infection as soon as possible, otherwise the infection can be spread to the new nail, which will grow there and cause the ingrown toenail problem. Blisters. The development of blisters can take place under the nail bed, which causes the peeling of the nail from the skin. In this condition, you need to provide treatment to the blisters first before applying the ways to remove the dead toenail. What are symptoms of dead toenail? Here, find out some of the major dead toenail symptoms have been listed here. Check out these symptoms, which can prove helpful in providing effective treatment to the problem of the dead toenail. Even though in the problem of the dead toenail, the affected toenail becomes darkened, initially the toenail will first become reddish, brownish or purplish. Darkened or blackened toenails means the toenail is completely dead due to some malfunction in the area. However, it is not always possible that the toenail always becomes black, and sometimes the original color of the toenail remains the same. You may also experience the moderate to severe pain in case you face the trauma or pain. The pain, however, can go away after several days or weeks. Sometimes, you may also feel some kind of discharge coming from underneath the affected toenail along with pain. This may also join with bad odor. It is important to immediately examine the condition by the doctor, as it should be treated as early as possible to prevent it from further worsening or spreading. How to remove dead toenails. One simple process helps you getting rid of the dead toenail from your feet so that you can then take care of the underlying cause of it. The step-by-step guide about the process has been listed here in detail. At first, ensure that all the feet area along with the surrounding area and your hands is perfectly clean. It is recommended that you wear a fresh pair of latex gloves during the process. It is necessary to keep the entire area completely clean, as after removing the nail, the area beneath your nail will be filled with bacteria and will be highly sensitive to the infection. Now, with the help of sterile nail clippers, trim your nail. Remove all the parts of the dead nail so that it would become easier for you to remove the actual dead toenail quite easily. After removing all the small parts of the dead toenail, now it is time to remove the actual toenail. If your toenail is completely dead, you will not feel any pain or resistance while removing your nail or pulling it away. It is important to follow this step with the help of the expert to reduce the risk of any mishap. Wrap the nail with the help of clean gauze if you failed to remove the entire nail. Avoid forcing and pulling the nail completely. You can get rid of the remaining part later. For removing your dead toenail without severe pain or resistance, with the help of your tweezers, start wiggling the nail from the sides. Your dead toenail will be slipped from its position in no time. Using this way, pulling off the nail inappropriately can cause the problem with the skin and pain may erupt. After the toenail is removed, clean the area properly one more time. Now apply natural antibiotic ointment or gel and cover the area with the help of clean gauze. You may feel the pain as the area of the dead toenail start to heal. To reduce this pain, you can consume a dose of painkillers. However, it is recommended that you confirm it with your healthcare provider. Disclaimer: the above tips and information are only for reference purpose. The articles are not written by qualified Medicare professionals. Even though you may find the tips and information easy and useful, we recommend you to consult a qualified Medicare professional before adopting these. It is necessary to analyze and find out your physical fitness in accepting these tips. Some tips may not suit you or you may be allergic to, hence consulting a Medicare professional is essential, failing which, you will be having the sole responsibility for the consequences arising out of your negligence and reluctance. Note: we inform you that we are not owner of any of the products, images, or any other products displaying on our website. But all the articles are written by us and we own them. If you found any image or product that found under your copyrights, then please feel free to contact us. We will remove that image or product as soon as possible. All the images are collected from Google.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to receive new video.